Do you know that you can collaborate with other creators on shorts without messaging them, waiting for their replies, or waiting for their confirmation before collaboration? And not just that, if you do that, you're going to have massive subscribers. Yes, massive subscribers because it is official, it is used, it is not illegal in YouTube. Now look at this. If you see this screenshot that I just showed you, that is a proof of what I am saying.
World where learning leads the way, we grow stronger every single day. With a smile, with passion, with truth. Welcome to Teach Feed with Ayuk.
So in this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can gain subscribers by collaborating with other creators without asking their permission, without texting the messages, without waiting for their replies before you can collaborate. Remember, we are talking about shorts, not long videos. For long videos, you must wait for the creator to accept your request, your collaboration request. But for shorts, you don't need to wait for their reply. Yes, you don't need to wait for their reply. Just go and do your thing. And you will gain. What are you supposed to gain? What are you going to gain? What you're going to gain is the subscribers. That is what we are for, right? Don't worry. I'm going to explain because this I am talking because it's what worked for me. It worked for me. So, if you really want to have subscribers, just grab your popcorn and sit and watch. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to collaborate with shorts without asking permission of the creators. And one thing you should know about this is that it is safe. Don't be scared. Sometimes we'll be scared that, oh, I may do that and I will not be monetized. No, it is YouTube that brought the collaboration. It is a YouTube feature, collaboration. So it is allowed, and creators who don't want their shots to be collaborated or to be used, they turn that particular feature off. But those who allow it, it's just like remixing. Uh, you're remixing somebody's video or somebody's shot. So when you're remixing, it doesn't have any effect on you because that creator allowed you to remix. They allowed the feature. So it's not against YouTube policy. Okay, it is not against. That's one thing you should know about that. So it is safe. Now, going to how to collaborate with this. There are three different ways that you can do. You can either remix, you can either use the green screen, or you can use the side by side like what I have been using. Yes. So what you need to do is just go to YouTube. The first step, go to YouTube and search. Just go and search for viral shorts. The first thing you should look at the likes. Each shot that you see, check the likes. The second is look at the comments. And the third, views. Go for those shots, my darling. Go for shots like that. Now, your focus is not on the likes. Your focus is not on the views. Your focus is not on the comments. Your focus as a new YouTuber is subscribers. That is what we want. We want subscribers. Things not to do when it comes to short collaborating. Very important. Listen to this carefully. Don't download somebody's shot and reuse. that will be reused content. Don't add any value to it. Don't add anything to the content, because if you do that, YouTube is going to stop the video, or it's not going to push the video. So you're not going to have audience because that video is not your video. If you use it just the way it is, YouTube will not punish you. They will not punish you because it is legal, it's official. Then when you try to modify the video, download the video, add new content to the video, that shows that you have taken somebody's content and you are trying to reuse it. Don't do that. It's very, very important. Don't add any value. All you need to do is, when you are collaborating with the person, just show some facial, maybe some facial reactions, you know, while the video is going on. Maybe you can smile, you can use your hands, you can, when they talk about subscribe, you can use your hands to show that they should subscribe. Just show some reactions. That's all that's needed. Just show reaction, react to the video. It's like you're reacting to the video without saying anything, or without, your voice will not even be heard, because you are just collaborating.
So if you look at this video, you realize that when you go to shot, when you've seen the shot already, you click on remix. After clicking on remix, you click on collab. So when you click on collab, it's going to show the minutes up there. Make sure you click on that minute so that will extend the minutes. You see, you have to extend the minute to the number of minutes that was there, or seconds. And now the next thing you need to do is to click on next. When you click on next, you have to allow it to download. Yes, after it downloads, you look at that mic. Make sure you click on that mic so that there would not be any echo when your video is being uploaded. If you leave that mic on, there will be an echo. So after you mute the mic and you have recorded, the only thing you need to do now is you click on the play button. It's going to record. You click on the play button where the finger is. So when you click there, it's going to record now. You are just to mimic. You can just mimic what the person is saying or facial expression. And after that, the next thing you need to do is just to click the red button. When you're done clicking the red button, that's when the video has been recorded. You take next. Click on next. So this is a video that has been recorded. You now see my face and my face. So when you take next, it's optional. You can look for an effect. You see, you have seen the differences in my face now because I've added an effect. So if you think your face is not too bright, you can touch the effect. And after that, you click next. When you click next, it will take you now to where you have to post the video. The first thing you should take note of is make sure the visibility should be public. Yes, the visibility should be public. But you see, mine was already on public, but I had to remove it from public to private because I don't want to post this video. I'm just doing this shot for the purpose of demonstration, just to demonstrate. Yes, so when you make sure you put the right visibility. The next thing is to put the title. It's up to you. Whatever title you want to put, you can put the title. When you put the title, the next thing you should do is to put hashtags. Hashtags are very important. You can put short feed, short viral, FYP, any short, any hashtag that you can put. And after that, the next thing and the last thing, you just post. So when you post, you allow it to upload. Immediately it uploads, you see, if you look at that, you realize that my video is still uploading. So that is just all. Just upload and leave. You have played your own part. Yes, so this is the channel I was telling you about. This is my channel. And if you look at the channel, you realize that, see, look at subscribers. Look at subscribers. Most of my videos, most of my shots are collab shots. I use them to collab. So I'm just showing you proof. Look at each shot. Look at the subscribers. Look at the subscribers. Look at this one, this particular one. This is a shot that gave me 1.6k subscribers in one day. It was not even up to one day. Within 12 hours, I already had 1.4k. So within one day, it was 1.6k subscribers. So you see what I'm saying? This thing really works. It really works. It works like magic. if you choose the right channels. For me, I always use yeah, I have. If you go to my channel, the channel that you saw there, if you go there, you can just go and click whatever I have collab with. Just click on the name of the person. It will be at this person. So when you click on that name, it will take you to the person page, to that same shot that I use.
I hope this video is going to help you to have more subscribers. I know how we have been struggling to have subscribers, but this video is going to be a great help to help you have more subscribers. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye.